We'll move on to this question, past paper question, differentiation. I post daily videos solving equations and solving a different past paper question from Edexcel syllabus. So I hope you can subscribe to my channel to get a daily video updates. So let's start the A part here. Find a curve has an equation y is equal to, it's given. Find dy over dx, writing your answer in simplest form. So what does dy over dx means? That is called, you should have studied a chapter called differentiation. Differentiation mean what? I'll explain it simply. Let's say if you have a function, any function, it can be, the graph can be in any form. So let's say you take x1 at any point, x2, x3, like at any point. If you take any point in this graph, you can draw a tangent line. So I mean the slope of the tangent line is called gradient, right? So you should have studied the gradient. So differentiation is simply dy over dx, that is gradient. You're finding the gradient at a specific point. When x1 is given, x2 is given, at any point you're finding the gradient. So that is simply means the differentiation. I am not going deep into the theory right now. So I just give you a little bit of clear idea about what is differentiation means. Then it will be easy for you to answer the question. So let's write the equation. Y is equal to 2 by 3 x cubed minus 7 by 2 x squared minus 4x plus 5. So we are going to find the dy over dx. So if you study, you would have known that dx to the power n over dx is nx n minus 1. This is a theory you should have have in remember about it. So d over dx, you have to always, the constant goes in front of the differentiation. So it means like, so you have to d over dx 2 over 3 x cubed minus d over dx 7 over 2 x squared minus d over dx. You can give it to each and every term in this equation, plus 5 d over dx. So the constant will go in front of the differentiation. So 2 over 3 d over dx x cube minus 7 over 2 d over dx x squared. So I'm just decoding it a little bit deeper so that you will be easy to understand. So I recommend you to comment on where I have to explain a little more or give a little bit of explanation about the theories and all. So you can just give me a comment. For d over dx x plus so constant, if you, there is in this part there is no x part, right? So it's just a constant, so it is 0. If you I think it is if you differentiate a constant, so it is 0. What is, for example, I will explain a little more. Like 5 means what? So let's say if there is a function called 5, so it is just like this, right? It is just a horizontal line. which means there is no gradient in that. There is no slope in this graph. So if you differentiate it, it is going to give you a 0 value. So 2 over 3. So as per this rule, d over dx xn, n x n minus 1. So it is 3x n minus 1 mean 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, I'm sorry, 7 over 2 like x. So 2 will be on the front. So 2 minus 1 minus 4. This is 1, so x1 minus 1. 2 over 3. So you can cut this. I mean, it will be cancelled. 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. X to the power 0 is 1. So this is the simplest form you get for dy over dx. So you have done the A part. So A part is done. Find dy over dx, writing your answer in simplest form. That is done. So let's move on to the part B. Hence, find the range of values of x for which y is decreasing. So find the range of values. I mean, they are asking for a range for x, like in between, or greater than, in that form, for which y is decreasing. What does decreasing means? I'll explain a little simply. For example, let's say there is a graph like this. Okay. So can you explain how the y varies in this graph? So, for example, you can talk about this graph in different areas. Like, for example, if you take this area, let's say you take this area. Okay, I'll highlight it in another color. This area, how is the y is varying? Y is increasing, right? The value of y is increasing in this area. So if you take this area, the value of y is going to, when x increases, y is decreasing. So that is how it is. So we can simply have a conclusion that in this area, I mean, in this portion of the graph, y increasing means, what does that mean? The slope. I mean, slope means dy over dx, the dy over dx, the differentiation of the graph is, slope is decreasing, right? Y increasing, dy over dx decreasing. In this area, the y decreasing, but dy over dx, the slope is increasing. So it is just, get an idea about it. Then they are asking where is y is decreasing. So what is the value of x in that form? So first we have to find this critical point in this, so where the slope is 0. I mean, let's say this one. So let's see this in this graph here, in this point, in this x, this is the slope of the graph. I mean, there is no slope here, it's just a horizontal line. So in this point, the dy over dx is 0. So you have to find this point first, so that you can give a value of where the y increasing, where the y decreasing, and all that. So first find the dy over dx. You have to find, this is the dy over it. I'll write it here. Dy over dx is 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. So first we will find where is the point Here the dy over dx is 0. So 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. 0. If you factorize this one, you will get minus 8x plus, if you take, you can write the minus 7x as this, 2 x minus 4 plus 1 x minus 4, 0 is equal to 2x plus 1 x minus 4. So 2x plus 1 is 0 or x minus 4 is 0. So x is equal to minus half or x is equal to 4. So we have a critical point where, so we have 2 points, like, so why we are getting 2 points here where the slope of the graph is 0. So it can be like this, like for example, if you take this way, like I just for an imagination, it can be in this form. So where this is 4, this is it's just for example, I don't know how exactly it will be. So in minus half the slope is 0, in plus 4 the slope is 0 here. So you have a critical point, I mean this is the critical point, like minus half and 4. So now how you are going to find when where the y decreasing or increasing and all that. So we have a range minus half to x to, oh no, we are having a range minus half 4. We don't know whether it is the less than minus half or 4 greater than 4, when the x increasing more than 4, the y decreasing, or we don't know. Let's put a random value. Let's put a random value and find out where the slope is decreasing, means slope is increasing, I mean slope is greater than 0. So means so I mean slope is positive, I think slope is positive. Slope should be here, this is decreasing, means the slope you can see here, when the y decreasing the slope is negative, I mean the dy over dx is negative. Yes, because it is in this format, right? The slope here is in a bigger angle than 90 degree. So the slope is negative. So we have to find the x dy over dx. We have to find x value where the dy over dx is negative, means I mean the slope is slope degree, I mean the is greater than 90 degree. So let's put some value in between this minus half and 4. Just let's randomly put like 0. Let's put x is equal to 0. And what is the value of dy over dx? Dy over dx is 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. Like this is 0, I mean 2 into 0 squared 0, this is 0 minus 4. So you're getting minus number, which means when the x value in between minus half and 4, you're getting the slope of the graph is minus, means it is in the other way around. It's like this. The graph is decreasing. I mean the y value decreasing. This is a slope. So the value of gradient is minus. So here the y value is decreasing. So the answer will be, so the x range for y decreasing is minus half, in between minus half and 4. This is the answer. So I hope you understand these theories and how I solve this using a logical form of sort of gradient and differentiation, understanding it, linking these two together and understanding this. So if you want any doubt, if you have any doubts in any where I went, how I get this, how I did it, if you don't understand anything, you can just give me a comment on where you don't understand, which line you don't understand. You can give me a screenshot also in the comment. I will give another video explaining that particular line a little more deeper. So thank you for watching, and I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I post daily videos solving past paper questions.